Hey everybody, what's going on? My name is Terry. Welcome back to the Streamer Source. Hope you all are doing well. Very short, quick little video here for y'all today. How to use a green screen and chroma key in OBS Studio. But don't worry though, folks, if you happen to use StreamLabs OBS, also known as slobs, this will translate pretty much one-to-one in that software as well, since of course it is based on OBS Studio as well. Okay, so with that being said, folks, what you will need is a green material fabric of some kind, whether it's a really cheap little shower curtain, neon green shower curtain, piece of fabric, whatever. I have the Elgato green screen right here behind me, okay? Another thing you really want for a good, proper green screen here is a lot of good, solid lighting. Trust me, folks, I know from personal experience here, a dimly lit or a poorly lit green screen will look like complete garbage on cam. Trust me, it does not look good. Don't even try it. So before you even start this here, make sure you have some decent lighting to make sure everything is nice and bright for the green screen to really get cleared out here. Okay, so with that being said, folks, how do you actually chroma key one of these things out here in OBS Studio? Folks, very simple here, okay? Follow along. You want to right click your video source that has the green screen inside of it. So of course mine is the Camlink 4K hooked up to my Sony a6000, but yours might be a webcam. Not a problem at all. Same procedure here, okay? Right click, go to filters, and folks, here we go, okay? Now, again, very simple, not hard here. Want to hit the plus sign, want to go to chroma key, call it chroma key or whatever you want. For the sake of the tutorial here, going to just keep it as chroma key. Going to hit OK, and folks, it's already done because it defaults to the color green. But as you'll see here, if you click on this here, it also has a spot for a blue screen, a magenta screen, or even a custom color if you want to do that. You know what I mean? So we're going to go ahead and just do green here. Okay, now for my stuff here, luckily I was able to keep this nice and simple to where it automatically got everything clear here. But you might need to change some stuff in here, okay? So you can change the smoothness up if you need to a little bit. But again, I'm going to just keep this here all on defaults, okay? So again, these settings will differ from person to person. My settings will not work for you, and yours will probably not work for mine, okay? But as far as just how to do a green screen, that is the same for everyone here, okay? And now that this here is set, I'm going to go ahead and hit close. And everybody, as you'll see, it's cleared out behind me. It looks great, right? Well, okay, it looks okay. You can still see my my light right here. You can still see parts of my computer desk. So how do you actually get rid of that? Really simple here, okay, folks? Whenever you have something selected here in OBS Studio, or even slobs for the record here, you will see this border around it with these little squares around the border. All you got to do to crop stuff in is hold Alt on your keyboard, and on this little handle right here, click that and drag it in. Same thing for the left side here. Click, drag it in. I'm going to go and put this down here in the corner, make it the size I want it to. And folks, just like that, you're in your favorite game. So folks, look, if you have any more questions about chroma key in OBS Studio or even in StreamLabs OBS, drop a comment down below. Happy to help you all out as per usual. And until next time, I will see you all in the next one. Okay, folks? Happy streaming.